How to download or use Midjourney for free. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Then on the searching bar, search for Discord and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now at the left side you will see plus button. Simply tap on it and select join a server. Now hit on don't have an invite. Now on the searching bar, search for blue willow. Then hit on the search icon. Now, if it is available in your country or region, then you will see blue willow option over here. If it is not available, then you have to purchase it. But if you see any blue willow option, then simply hit on that and there you can use Midjourney for free. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.